Welcome to Learning in Limestone. Our goal, success for all.
Selby Public School is participating in the first ever Kidpreneur Fair, a pilot program which introduces elementary students to the concept of entrepreneurism and innovative thinking. Let's see what big ideas are being created. This entrepreneurship program is new to kids at Selby and the Limestone District School Board. Can you define some of the key elements of the Kidpreneur program?
Sure, yes. We were introduced to this by the County of Lennox and Addington. A team there wanted to develop entrepreneur spirit and promote business planning in students, younger students, so that when they got to high school they might be more interested in business classes, or see if they are interested in business classes, and just to give them an idea of what entrepreneurship means and what it looks like. So they started with presentations of local entrepreneurs and children entrepreneurs from around the world. And then from there, they were given the opportunity to take something that they were passionate about and turn it into a business idea. So they took that passion and thought, how can I make it a business? And they went through the process of planning their business to see if it would be successful and what the process looked like.
How has this enhanced both learning and creativity for the students?
Well, it has definitely enhanced engagement in the project and in student learning. They were so excited after they saw the presentations. They couldn't wait to get started. We had to wait a little while. Well, the L&A folks very kindly put a package together showing how the kids could put together a business plan and the things involved. And then they got started, and they have not stopped since. Daily they ask, when can we do this? When are we working on Kidpreneur? Is it time yet? Many of them want to go ahead and start the business after they're finished the project. They have been engaged in all parts, so in the creativity, in the marketing, even the expense part. They're really engaged in the whole thing, and it's enhanced the creativity and the engagement, everything about their learning.
What is your big idea?
Our big idea is called Caring Kids, and someone who has a loved one, an elderly friend that they know, or a mom or dad, we go to their house and we play games and we go for walks and we get mail.
Why did you choose this big idea?
Because me and my friend love hanging out with elderlies, and we like babysitting and stuff, and yeah.
What project sections did you have to include in your project?
Oh, we had to include our expenses, our monthly expenses, and our total cost, and our income, and our profit, and like our big idea, and survey questions and results. And some people didn't all about us.
You decided to create a commercial to represent your company. How do you think it helped in showing everyone exactly what it's about?
It helped a lot because the commercial actually shows us doing our business and working with elderlies. And it was also really fun to make, and it shows way more information than we could just put on our board.
What is your big idea, and what inspired you to choose this product?
Well, our big idea is a glow-in-the-dark hockey passer, and it inspired us to make this because we don't always have people to pass us the puck, and so we thought we'd just make this to have the puck be passed to ourselves, and we can practice in the dark, so yeah.
And how does this prototype work exactly?
Well, you pass into it, and then it'll just pass back to you, and then you can just keep doing that, and you can do it with a friend. You can pass to it, and then it'll come back to him, and then he passes, and then you get it.
And you both conducted surveys. What did you use that data for, and how did you collect the data?
Well, we collected the data just using paper and a few questions, and then we used that data kind of to say, okay, so some people like this, some people like the glow in the dark, so we're just going to put it glow in the dark. And most people want to improve on hockey, so we're going to make it because obviously this helps you improve your hockey skills. So
students are learning to turn a big idea into reality, developing their confidence and critical thinking skills so they can carve their path to a more successful future.
Learning in Limestone is brought to you by the Limestone District School Board.